but it will save you tons and tons of stress kung in kaso may iguan ka. Okay, so what I'm talking about is that during release, ari naman sa mga kliyente nga na-release or about to release na sa ilang unit, okay, this is very very important. Listen up. Gamay nga bagay, katulokon mo siya, but it will save you tons and tons of stress kung in kaso may iguan ka. Okay, so what I'm talking about is that during release, please perform due diligence. Kid. Okay, libuton yung inyong salakyan and avoid as much as possible mag-release. But though I know ngayon tamlikawan ka sa mga release mo gabi, okay, so as much as possible i-release nyo aga para ma-check nyo yung unit. Okay, ma-check nyo yung unit, malibutan nyo, check nyo tanan-tanan features, kilid yung may mga scratches that you have the right to do that. And I think it's just right. Ako, why ko, okay, mayara, yeah, agents, mayara, gina-try tago. Because to be honest, it's very kwan sa partner agent, okay? This is straight honesty, medyo huol, okay? Medyo kwan naman sa partner agent. But then, sa side naman ni client, that's why I'm telling this sa mga kliyente na mga pag-release, it's your due diligence. Check nyo gidya, inyo ni salakyan, inyo ni palamanog, kunin kaso, hindi nyo matakal, okay? The trick is, check. Okay, check nyo. Once nga may nakita ka mo, inform nyo immediately. Wala pa na-release ng salakyan, wala pa kagawa sa kasa, inform nyo si ahente. Okay, para si ahente may shown IR. Ang amuna, ang hitabo, incident report. So, ang obrahon na din ni ahente, picturean, might as well ikaw as client, picturean mo man para may ebidensya ka nga. Before magawa sa kasa, mayroon na siya. Okay, so meron siyang gas-gas or ano man na, then kung may nakita ka man na tok-tok or anything like that, because it happens. Okay, it happens. And it's very important gid yung paglipatan, kasi syempre yung milyon na ginamakal mo, as in due diligence gid. And yeah, going back sa IR, i-report na sa diyon sa, I think sa service or sa sales admin, ma-acknowledge. Ang pinaka-bottom line niya, ma-acknowledge nga, may amo na pagwa sa lakyan. So ang matabo sina, I think is ginabalik lang na siya, and then at no charge kaya doon na if in fact gusto ni client or issue sa kay client, okay, may minor kisa minor man lang na siya, okay, mga pintok kisa da or mga pinta nagpilit da, and but mostly 70% yung mga kwan mo lang kaya man na siya ma-remedyohan on the days ng release. So if possible nga ma-remedyohan on the days ng release, i-kunan niyo na para at least hassle, especially kung layo pa inyo pulian. So amo lang na, and that's it.